evening, ma'am.
Good
afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. After lunch, how are you? Or after tea?
Fine. I'm fine.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning we had a class, isn't it? Morning we had a class.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What did we study? What did we study in that?
We study intersecting lines, parallel lines, and transversal lines.
Yeah, we have studied intersecting lines and transversal, isn't it? We have studied
Yes, ma'am.
intersecting lines, parallel lines, and transversal, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is waiting outside. Let me admit everyone. Now, after that, we'll start. Okay, again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I hope I have to explain once more what are, I think intersecting lines and parallel lines you all understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Only transversal I have to explain. Transversal. I'll explain once more what is a transversal. Then we'll start with the angles formed by the transversal and all. Okay. So you have to listen carefully and sit. It's a most important topic in the chapter. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You can mute your audio. Yeah. All of you mute your audio, children. Otherwise, all the horrible voices in your house will come here. Okay. So switch off your audio. Whenever I am asking you anything, you switch on and answer. Whoever wants to answer, answer it. Okay. Then immediately you have to switch off. Yeah. Okay. So I think everybody has switched off your audio. Now I am going to explain what is a transversal again. Okay. Just share the screen. Yeah. Now, children, can you see me? See the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you sit. Some noise is coming. Please switch off your speakers, children. Switch off the speakers. Now listen and sit with a book, rough note, and scale and pencil. Okay. Now, hope you all can see the screen. Okay. Now listen. Look. I have drawn two lines. Now listen carefully. After that only you have to answer. Okay. Yes. This is line L and this is line M.
Ma'am.
1 minute. Line L and line M. Two lines I have drawn. Line L and line M. Look at another line. Another line N. So two lines L and M I have drawn, and I have drawn another line which intersects both the lines, which intersect the other two lines. Okay. So, look, I have drawn two lines L and M, and I have drawn another line N to intersect the other two lines at two different points. Listen, this is the point O and point P. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I have drawn two lines L and M and another line N to intersect the two lines at two different points. Which are the two different points? O and P. Such a line which intersects other two lines or two or more lines in different points is known as a transversal. What is it known as?
Transversal.
Transversal. So I can call line N as a transversal. I can call line N as a transversal. So listen, transversal. Transversal. Okay. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can call line N as a transversal. Why I am calling it as a transversal? Because it is cutting or intersecting other two lines in two different points. Okay. Now I'll show you another type of line which is not a transversal. Then you will understand. Look. This is a line. This is another line. Look at this line. P. This is line M. This is line L. Okay. Line M and N and another line P. That line is also intersecting the two lines, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
But in how many points it is intersecting the line?
Oh, only one
Only
point.
1 point,
Only
isn't
one
it?
point.
It is not intersecting the other two lines in two different points, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we cannot say line P is a transversal. Line P is not a transversal.
Transversal.
Did you understand what is a transversal now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
this line P is not a transversal because only in one point it is intersecting both the lines, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
The earlier one is a transversal. So now,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I had a little doubt that you had said send the notes by the WhatsApp. So, is there any special peculiarity that we have to write with pen or pencil or something like that?
Notes you write with pen.
Okay,
Figures you
fine.
have to write with pencil. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now, listen, children. I'll show you the some real life examples of transversal. You may think why we are learning all this. So I'll show you some real life examples for transversals from your surroundings. Can you give any example like this? Two or more lines intersected by another line, like a transversal in different points and all. I'll show you an example. Look at this.
Seesaw.
Seesaw. No, seesaw cannot be.
Railway track.
Railway tracks. Okay. Okay. There are two lines and it is intersected by different lines. Okay. You can say now. Insert.
Ladder.
Ladder. Correct. That also forms lines, and I'll show some images where you can see the pictures. Look at this figure, children. Just see this gate. Can you see it?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the
Yes,
gate?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See that? See the picture there. The transversal is used. See, this is the transversal.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is the transversal on different lines. Isn't it? Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
It is intersecting all the lines at different points. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is an example. I'll show you another picture. Sorry, this one. See this gate? Here also you will get an example of this.
Okay.
There.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this example, children. Here, look at this. This is a garden, isn't it? The,
Ma'am, we can't see.
this,
Ma'am, I can see.
Now we
Ma'am.
can see.
now you can see. Okay. See this. It's a picture. It's a fence, isn't it? You can see a
Yes,
fence. And see almost so many parallel lines are cut by two transversal. So like that in our daily life you come across many situations where these lines are intersected by transversals. Okay. So let us now what we are going to do is we are going to study about some angles formed by the transversal. This is a very important topic of this chapter. Clear? So you have to listen very carefully and take down the notes also.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I have told you a line which intersects other two lines in two different points is known as a transversal.
Transversal.
Let us see how many angles are formed when a line is intersecting like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we draw two lines. Two lines. It may not be parallel line. It can be any type of line. Okay. I have drawn two lines. One is line M. One is line N. Okay. Another line I am going to draw. It is
Okay, ma'am.
another line. See this. This line L.
Okay.
Can I call line L as a transversal, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because it is cutting the other or intersecting other two lines in two different points, isn't it? Let it be O and Q. So it is intersecting in two different points. Now I can call line L as a transversal. Now let us see how many angles are formed when a transversal intersects two lines. How many angles are formed? Okay. Before that, let me ask you, how many point of intersection will be there if three lines are intersected by a transversal?
3.
How many points of intersection will be there?
3.
Three.
3, ma'am.
Three. Okay. So now let us take only two lines and find the angle. So how many angles can
6.
one angle? This is another angle. So angle 1,
1, 2, 3,
2,
4, 5, 6.
angle
8, ma'am.
3, and
1,
angle
2,
Ma'am,
3, 4, 5, 6.
and angle 5,
8,
angle
Ma'am, I
6,
cannot hear you. Ma'am, 8?
4, 5, 6,
Ma'am,
7,
8.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
8.
okay,
8,
8.
ma'am. 8.
8.
8, ma'am.
So how many angles are formed when two lines are intersected by a transversal?
8.
8.
8.
8 angles are formed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look.
ഞാനാ ഞാനൊന്നല്ല ടീച്ചറാണ് സ്ക്രീൻ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം
Now you just see. See this. Huh? Angle 1 and 2. Lot of noise. Please switch off your speakers. All the speakers you switch off and listen. Okay. Now see angle 1. No speaker should be on. Asim Nabil, switch off your speaker. Asim Nabil, switch off your speaker. I can see here. Okay. Now look at this. Children, angle 1. Fine. Look at this. Angle 1 and angle 2. And this lie outside, no? They lie outside the line. And see, angle 7 and angle 6 are also outside the line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Outside the two lines. Okay. So, angle 1, 2 and 7, 6. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 6. Yes, Ephria, what is the problem? Ephria? Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't quote you.
Ephria.
Ma'am, I didn't quote you. I mean, I'm not clear.
Okay. See,
Ma'am, I also haven't understand it.
two lines M and N I have drawn. You understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that line is intersected by or cut by another line L. That also is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can we call L as a transversal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you see, take the point of intersection. Here, how many angles are formed? How many angles are formed when a transversal is cut? 8 angles are formed. You understood that much? You understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see,
Yes, ma'am.
I have taken this angle and this angle. I have put a tick mark, right? That angles are outside the line, isn't it? Outside. And these angles are also outside, which I have ticked. Did you understand?
Yes.
Those angles are called exterior angles. Understand? Which is outside the line. Those angles are called exterior angles. So here, angle 1, I can say angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 6 are known as exterior angles. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
They lie outside that line. So above the line and one and below the line. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 6 are known as exterior angles. Now, see, look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I will just change the color of the board. Look at this. Now, what about angle? The other angles 3, 4, 8 and 5. Angles 3, 4, 8 and 5. Look at this.
I can't understand what you're saying.
3, 4, 8 and 5. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These angles are lying
Ma'am,
in
your audio is
between.
not clear, ma'am.
Huh? Audio is not clear. Okay. Okay, I'll tie it up here. Okay. Okay, listen. Now you can hear me? Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now look. See, angle 8, angle 3,
No
which I have
problem also.
Huh?
No
Now,
problem, ma'am.
see, angle 8, angle 5, angle 4 and angle 3 are, see some noise is coming. Stop the audio. All of you stop the audio, otherwise you cannot hear. Some noise is coming. Okay, some disturbance is coming, that's why. So now see this inside angles. They lie inside the line. 3, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 8 and 5. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 8 and angle 5, they are called interior angles. They are known
Interior
as
angle.
It's so clear.
all of you switch off your audio, children. Coming from external. The noise is coming from somewhere else. So all of you switch off your audios. Okay. Now, angle 3, angle 4, angle 8, 3, 4, 8 and 5 are known as interior angles. Interior angles. Did you understand this? What is
Yes.
outside the line? They are known as exterior angles. And what is inside both the lines? They are known as interior angles. That's all. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we'll pass on to exterior angle and interior angle. You understood. Now we have to learn separately some other angles. Now look. Now I have drawn two lines, and I am intersecting it with another line. I'm intersecting it with other line. Now you will get again 4 angles are there. So you will get, see these angles which I am marking. So how many angles? 1, 2,
We will
1,
get
2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 5.
we will get 4 interior
6.
angles and 4 exterior.
Yes, good, good, good. 7, 8. 8 angles are formed out of that. See what I am coloring. Okay. See the angles which I am going to color it. Look.
Ma'am, the 1, 2, 6 and 7, 6 and 7
1 minute. It got colored fully.
exterior angles and
Yes.
3,
Wait,
4
wait.
and
Okay,
8
that
are
we said. That we said. This is another one. This is another one. Background itself has changed. Okay. Look at this. Angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. They lie upon a line, isn't it? They lie upon a line. So angle 1,
Ma'am.
yes. Just to see the peculiarity. They are lying on the same side above the line, isn't it? Okay. Huh?
Ma'am.
They are a pair of corresponding angles. They are a pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And which angles? Angle 1 and angle 8. They are known as corresponding angles. Again, similarly, can you show two angles like that? Lying upon the line and one below the other?
2 and 5.
2 and 5, very good. So, angle 2 and angle 5. So, let me fill a color for that. So, which color I'll fill? I'll fill with the blue color. Blue color. Okay. So, I don't know whether the whole board will become blue. 2 and 5. They are also a pair of corresponding angles. Okay, so we write angle 2 and angle 5. And oh God.
1 and 8 and 2
Yes,
and 5.
very good, very good, very good. So we'll get a white color background. Color is taken if any Now look, angle 2 and angle 2 and angle 5 is known as are also a pair of corresponding angle. Okay. Now,
Yes.
so we got two pairs of corresponding angle. Huh? Now I'm going
Yes.
to erase other one, otherwise you won't understand. I'm going to erase off. So angle 1 and 8 we took, and angle 2 and 5 are also corresponding. Similarly, bottom also, angle 4. See this?
Angle 4 and 3.
Ah, yes, angle 4 and angle 7. I'll use another color to fill it. Okay, look here. See, angle 4 and angle 7. Look, angle 4 and angle 7. They lie bottom of the line, isn't it? They are lying at the bottom of the line, and see, both are lying at the bottom of the line.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go if any coloring is done. I'm stopping.
And this board is violet.
Yes, board will change.
Wanted to be there.
Look, some are singing. Okay, so 2 and 5 you got. Now, can you tell me the other pair of corresponding angle? Which lie on the same
3 and 6.
3 and 6. Okay, correct. So
3 and
we got angle and angle 6. Okay, this one. I'll color it like this. Otherwise, the whole board will be colored. Look at this.
Someone is
Okay. So did you understand? This was angle 3, and this is angle 6. So we got it like this. We got angle 3, and this one was 7,
Angle
6. So we got angle 3 and angle 6 are also a pair of corresponding angles. Can you see any peculiarity in this? They lie upon, this one lies, both lie upon the line. Here also,
I can't understand what you're saying.
One
Some sounds
and
are coming.
5. I'll show it separately. Then you will understand. Okay.
I'm like piano sounds are coming, ma'am.
Why? Stop your speakers, all of you. All stop the speakers. Who is playing piano at all now? Sound is heard. Stop.
It's time
Okay.
to
Now,
wind up.
yes. Look, I'll draw one by one, then it will be clear to you. So, when two lines are intersected by a transversal, see, two lines are intersected by a transversal, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, these two angles. These two angles form a pair of corresponding angles. Okay. What is the peculiarity? They lie upon the line, right?
They lie
Upon the
line.
Ma'am, I
coming
can't see
like
the
this on the
board.
same side. On the same side, such pairs form a corresponding.
Yes,
This is a pair of corresponding angles.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
can't see the
Now,
board.
we mark
And I
it
can't.
C. C.
I am not audible. What you're saying?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the lines upon the line is called corresponding.
Not upon the line. See, these two angles can be called as a corresponding pair, one pair of corresponding angle. Okay. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes. Then, next
it's
pair.
not clear, ma'am. I can't hear anyone sound.
Then it will be
I'm
because of
hearing
your connection. Wait for some time. Okay. Now look here. This is another one. I'll do another pair of corresponding angle. See, this forms another pair of corresponding angle. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am going to draw another pair of corresponding angle. See this?
Under the line.
Yeah. Now and under the line. Just check. This is also a pair of corresponding angle.
Angle.
This forms a pair of corresponding angle. Then another one is coming in the other side. That is, which is, so what are the peculiarity? Either it will come on top of the line, both
of the line.
on the same side, or it will come bottom of the line,
Of the line.
on the same side. Such angles are known as corresponding angles. Okay. So the other one also I'll draw. Then we'll stop because next teacher is waiting. This is another pair of corresponding angles. Did you
Yes,
understand? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the peculiarity? It comes on same side, and
Same
either
side.
both will be under the line or both will be
under the
on
line
top
or
of the line. Clear?
top of the-
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in the next class we'll see to it. Clear, children?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So it's time to wind up the class. So
Yes,
bye.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
thank you, thank you,
Okay,
thank you,
right.
thank you, thank you,
teaching us.
Thank you,
Excuse
ma'am.
me.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you.
thank you,
ma'am.
thank
Okay.
you, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, 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 bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Don't make noise, children. Don't make such noise. Okay, so hope you all have understood. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
I like this.
Okay.